Good day, everyone. I want to welcome you all to this session, another episode of this channel, Silent Trader. Thank you very much for joining in. And today, I will be speaking on directional bias. How you can understand directional bias. Directional bias simply means, as a trader, knowing where price is coming from and knowing where it is going to. I'll take that again. Directional bias simply means knowing where price is coming from and knowing where price is going to. You see, the moment you understand these two things, your trading journey is easy. Yeah, it might take some time, but if you can study market direction, that is market direction where the institutional left their footprints, where institutions leave their footprints, then best believe your trading journey is going to be easy. Now I'll be using US 30 as an example. Now, one of the mistakes that we as traders try to make, or that we do make, is we look for directional bias on middle time frames, which is not supposed to be. I know this is not the first video you've watched about directional bias. There are a lot of videos out there about market direction, directional bias, blah blah blah. I mean, why would you be looking for your market direction on a 4-hour time frame or on a 1-hour time frame? It does not matter the type of trader, either you are a scalper or you are a day trader you look for your market direction on a higher time frame, and that is the monthly, weekly, or the daily. I personally use the weekly time frame because I want to know, okay, where is the institutional footprint? Where is the big money lying? You can't be using your middle time frame like 4 hour, 1 hour to know all these things. Come to the higher time frame. So now we are on the weekly time frame. Now what can we see? We can see that clearly price is bullish, right? Price is bullish now on the weekly time frame. And there we have three phases. This is the most recent, right? This is the breakout structure. This is the breakout structure. Now what is price doing currently? You can see that last week, what happened to this candle over here? Price went up and then came down back. Price went up. You understand price action very well. Now price has gone up. What are you waiting for? You're waiting for a pullback. Okay, we know that price has gone up, right? So what is, as in, at some point when price breaks a structure, definitely a time must come whereby it needs to pull back for it to then continue the trend. Price has gone up. Now what you are looking for is a pullback. So yes, we know that, okay, a pullback is coming. Now how do we know a pullback is coming? And where is this pullback likely to come to an end? Take our footage and use my fib level from this place to this place. And I know that, okay, this pullback is coming here. I don't care how many years or how many days or weeks that it takes. I know the pullback is coming here. That's my demand level. That's the weekly time frame. Now, how do we know that the weekly time frame is starting to pull back? That is when we see a change of character. Now, don't go and be looking for a change of character for a weekly time frame on a 15-minute time frame or on a 1 hour time on a 25-minute time frame. It will not work. It will not work. You want to be looking at your change of character on a 4 hour or 1 hour, or mostly the 4 hour time frame. You need to understand time frame alignment also. If you want to be very, very good, if you want to be a mastery in directional bias, now let's get to our 4 hour time frame to see. Now from our 4 hour time frame, what can we see? We can see the inner structures, the higher low, the higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher high, higher low, higher high. Now these ones, all these ones, you see, all these places does not concern us for now. It is none of our business for now. What are we looking at? We are looking at the most recent now. In order for the pullback to know that okay, we are fully starting now, the weekly is starting to pull back, price must break this level here. See this level here? Price must break it to the downside. Yeah. Price must break it down to the downside before I can say 4K. We're now starting to pull back. So now we are looking at this current structure. Now this is the 4 hour time frame. We have a break of structure. Now, how do you know that the 4 hour time frame is starting to pull back? I mean, definitely we want to see a pullback into this level now. We want to see a pullback into this level if it's going to continue, or if price is going to break and then we continue downside. We only react to what the market gives us. Okay, you have in your mind, okay, price is supposed to come down, but then have it in the back of mind that we do not control the market. So you have to react to what the market is seeing. It's what you are seeing that you're going to trade, not what you hope to expect. No. Now we can see that price is starting to pull back. And how do we know? A change of character has occurred. Let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Now look at what can you see? Let's see. Break still. Hello. Lower low. Can we see that? Can we see? Price has broken it down. So we have multiple breaks of structure to the downside. Maybe because structure here too. Maybe because structure here too. Can you see? And that is why price was able to come all the way to this level. You see, our demand supply level is right here. Can you see that? Now you know that okay, the 4 hour is now coming back down. The pullback phase has begun. The pullback phase has begun. Now you should know that okay, price is coming. Now liquidity that will be taken. That will be taken. Now where do we think price might, where's a nice demand zone for price to hit? There's a nice demand zone here. You can see it. Yes. So we're expecting price to come to this level right here. You can see that price has tapped into this. We go to the 15 minutes to see for extra confirmation. For me to see my extra confirmation, I need to see this place, this level broken. Yes. Excuse me, please. I need to see this level. So this patience is all we need because we have all this to this downside to I mean 1.5 pips. So it is very simple. When you know what you are looking for, everything. Okay, you know that. Okay, why will we be looking for buys in this position? What you should be looking for is sales. It is sales. Maybe I cut this trade from here. What should I cut from here to this less? So we know that okay, price is coming to this level. And when we get here, we wait a little bit to see the reaction. If price is going to break this level, go back, and then we continue to the downside just like we reacted. So this is the end of this video. So what I just want to take home is what I want you to take home is your directional bias, the market directions will start from the higher time frame. That is the monthly, either the monthly, the weekly, or the daily. But let's actually say you prefer the weekly because the weekly talks more about the volume. It removes all the noise. You know where you're going to. And you're going to be looking for your change of character or your only 4 hour time frame or 1 hour time frame for the weekly. Don't go down, be looking 15 minutes is just for entry. It is for precise entry trigger. So more of this video will be coming, and I thank you all for watching, and I want you to like, share, and then subscribe to this channel because I promise that I'll be dropping more videos about my trading journey and how we trade generally in order to help the community of traders. Thank you very much.